Hello and welcome to this video for Polysun SPT. In this video, I will show you how to create the inverter setup for your building. I will do this automatically and manually. I've already created a project with a small apartment. For the automatic inverter layout, I just click on the Add Dimensioning Layout button. Here, I simply enter a manufacturer, in this case SMA, set this checkmark and click Calculate Variations. Polysun will now create one or more dimensioning layouts. In this example, I will just choose the first variation. If we click on this dimensioning layouts button here, we can gain more information about the dimensioning layouts. We can see the number of modules per string for each of the inverters. There's also a tracker utilization graph. It shows us if we're in the green here, since dimensioning the inverters according to the PV systems is very important. All of this becomes important for the manual inverter dimensioning. For that, I go back to the PV planning page and click on Add Dimensioning Layout manually. In this case, I will just rely on the automatic inverter dimensioning and just copy the inverters from there. I click on Add Inverters and choose the SMA as inverter manufacturer and select the inverters that were used in the automatic one, the Tri-Power 17000 TL. I increase the amount up here. Now I determine which roof should be used and set the amount of modules per string. You can see that the tracker utilization rate increases dynamically. That means that we now have to adjust the amount of modules per string until the graph shows that we are in the green. In this case, this happens at 16. Since we have two inverters, we can see that we are already done with the north roof. Now I repeat the same for the south roof and also add 16 modules. Down here, we can see how many modules we have already stringed and how many we have not stringed yet. Since we are at 0, we are done with the dimensioning. With this, you now know everything there is to know about the inverter layout